Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to attach the stand to your PS5 when placing it vertically. First, lay your PlayStation 5 flat on a surface. Take the stand that came with your PS5. If you look closely at the bottom of the stand, you'll see a small compartment where the screw is stored. Now take the screw out of the compartment and set it aside. Rotate the base of the stand until it clicks into the position for vertical use. You'll notice the stand has a small hole in the middle, and that's where the screw will go. Now align the stand with the hole at the bottom of the PS5. Insert the screw through the hole in the stand and into the bottom of the console. Using a flathead screwdriver or even a coin, tighten the screw to secure the stand in place. Make sure it's not overly tight. And there you have it. Your PS5 is now securely attached to the stand in its vertical position, ready for gaming. Now I'm going to show you how to attach the stand to your PS5 when placing it horizontally. First, lay your PlayStation 5 on a flat surface. You'll notice this pattern on the PS5. Now take the stand and attach it to this pattern on the PS5. That's where the stand needs to be attached. Carefully align the hooks on the stand with this pattern. Once it's aligned, gently press the stand onto the PS5. You should feel it click into place, ensuring it's secure. Now your PS5 is set up horizontally, resting safely on the stand. That's it. Your PS5 is ready for use in its horizontal position. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel and will help me making more videos like this.